Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I want to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to all my new subscribers, my returning subscribers, to all viewers of my videos. I say a big thank you to you guys. You guys are awesome. Uh, I bring to us another wonderful opportunity of a particular school that offers tuition-free master's program in financial engineering. Although this program shall be taken online if you are admitted to this particular university. Now, I don't want you to lose interest because the program is going to be taken online. Spare me 1 or 2 minutes of your time to explain to you why I think you should do this particular program using my own experience as an example. Now, Masters in financial engineering is focused basically on data science. It's just using data science for financial engineering. So what you'll be learning is data science, which is one of the fastest growing uh, profession in the world. The skill you gain from this program will be essential to applying to any other department or any other field of study. Data science is cross-functional. Machine learning is cross-functional. You can combine it with medicine, combine it with economics and anything. As a matter of fact, this was one of the things that gave me an advantage when I secured my PhD admission in University of Waikato. When I contacted the supervisor for the possibility of working together with her, the first thing that drew her attention when she replied to my email was my data science skills. She saw some of the projects I listed in my CV, and instantly she picked interest. To test my ability, she even gave me some work to do. And that was how she started talking about linking me up with another person in the chemistry department. I got my PhD in electronics, but my focus was in electronics and health. So you could see, without the knowledge of data science, that might have not been made possible. So this is essential. So as you apply for scholarships abroad, opportunity jobs abroad, you may also want to get these skills. I tell you, it's going to give you a serious advantage. Even it was advantageous to me securing an admission also in USA, that is Maharishi University, where I got about 54,000 scholarship to study masters in computer science. So this to study, yes, a professional masters in computer science. So believe me, this is to your advantage. So you may want to consider this while you still submit other application. Sorry for taking your time. So as usual, I'll take us through the application process and how to apply to these particular universities, the requirements, what you will need. Quickly, you want to go to your Google, you type WorldQuant University, the first link provided by Google. I right click, open in a new tab, and here we are, Masters in Financial Engineering. You start your application. So as usual, we want to get some information. Don't worry yourself about this next deadline. The admission is on a rolling basis, and they admit students 4 times in a year. So if you apply now, if this application deadline has passed, you can be enrolled in the next quarter. So the length of this particular program is 2 years, and the application requirement is bachelor's degree, proof of English proficiency. I think you can also use the proficiency of English that is offered by your particular if your undergraduate was done in English language. I also think for those who came from country where English may not be the first language but official language, you may not need proof of IELTS. And also you must pass their entrance exam test with 75% or higher. I am currently enrolled in the second program. This particular university does two programs, this master's program and an applied data science program. I applied to the applied data science program simply because I just felt like getting my hands dirty working with data, because for some time now I've not done any real project. So I decided to apply so that I can build my portfolio more with the 8 projects they are doing here. So to some extent, I have an advanced skills in data science. And when I wrote the exam, I think at the entrance exam, I scored, was it 94% or 98? I can't remember now. But it's quite simple. It's something you can do. You can even score 100% because it's all you need is just basic statistics knowledge and basic programming knowledge. If you have that, you can write the exam, the entrance exam, and pass. So don't let that scare you. And if you don't, you can always try again. Okay, so I would like to go through some frequently asked questions quickly, which I suggest you should take more time, because for me, there are certain questions that are very key in applying to such university. Number one is this university accredited? So they said yes, the university is accredited by the Distance Education Accrediting Commission in US, and also it is accredited by the Council of Higher Education Accreditation in US. So this university is accredited, and if it is accredited, it is recognized. It means you can actually run a program and get a renowned certificate from this particular university. So is WCU licensed? So WCU, they said, is licensed from the Lausiana Board of Regent. The university has been approved to participate in the National Council for State Authorization Reciprocity Agreement as an full stop. Okay, as an approved NCR, okay, as an approved what we just read here, institution. WQU enrolls students in 49 US states. The District of Columbia, US Territory. The university also enrolls students in California under a non-profit exemption. So you could see this university is licensed and is open to you that is an international student as well. So do we offer scholarship? So these are some of any question you like. No, as entirely is tuition free and you are not paying anything. So I'll encourage you to take your time. They said, what if why is my country not included in the application form? So WorldQuant University is accredited in the United States and must follow the US State Department regulation regarding sanctioned nations and regions. At this time, we are not able to offer our program to nationals of the following country. So if you are a national of this country, of any of this country that is listed here, you will not be they cannot provide you with admission at the moment because they are bound to the laws of US. So, if you want to learn more about the Masters of Financial Engineering, there are questions and answers here. So, like what are the admission requirements? You may want to go to that. We've seen that already. Complete application form, transcript, passing the quantitative test, and proof of English proficiency exam. So, when is the deadline? Very good. New students, WQU accept new students into the Masters in Financial Engineering program 4 times a year, quarterly. So students can begin their studies on the closest academic session, session start date following the acceptance of their application. We recommend completing an application at least 3 weeks prior to the desired start date. So any other question you have, you can just go down and go through them. Then also for the applied data science, these are the questions you may want to ask questions about the data science lab. So please feel free to go through them and read them thoroughly so you get what it is all about. So if you want to submit an application, all you need to do, if you apply for a Masters of Science program, I may consider applying for this myself later when I'm much more freer. So all you need to do is to click on that. We've seen the requirement already. Then you come here, you click start new application. So sorry, it's taking us a little bit of time. And if what you want to apply for is okay, let me check if that's finished booting. Oh, sorry. You see, it brought me to my own home page because I'm already applied. But the application process is quite simple. So this is my home page for the data science lab. Okay, so and I'm presently doing a project on housing in Mexico. Oh, sorry about that. So, but the application process is quite simple. So all you need to do is just to follow the instruction for application, and you are good to go. So guys, if you have any question, feel free to drop them at the comment box, and I wish you best of luck. If you are yet to subscribe to my videos, my channel, please do so. Help me grow my channel. Thank you very much. All the best.